the water start flowing opposite way.
Okay.
These are round bottle full of water. When you try to push it down, it will start to roll.
Just a little bit we show our viewer the road. This is the road at Kyamwilu road. Guys, you can see these are uphill.
Downhill and this uphill.
Okay. From down there, you go up, and here water is said to flow against the gravity. So tell us something about it before you demonstrate.
Now about the place, we have two reasons.
Okay.
First one is traditional belief, and next is scientific reason.
Okay.
And the cultural one.
And you had voice, you know the vehicles are passing by.
The traditional one, the place is known as Kyamwilu.
Okay.
And Kyamwilu is a combination of two names. There were two identical twins. The first one was known as Chalo there down here. And Mwilu was living to Hapa in here.
Okay.
Now when they came to the age of the marriage, they do funny thing.
Okay.
Where they married one lady.
Okay.
And they decided to share that lady. 1 week she spent to Chalo's place, another 1 week she shifted to Mwilu's place.
So Chalo and
Mwilu
were twins. And they married
one lady.
Is it common?
It's not common, but because there were twins, and you can, if you know the twins are doing same things, so they decided to marry one lady.
So how did they do it?
Now when they were sharing that lady, 1 week to Chalo place, another 1 week to Mwilu's place, and by the end of the game, they were blessed with one son. And that son, nobody knows who was the father of the baby. Because each was saying, the baby is mine, the baby is mine. But the grandfather solved the problem where they say who will name a baby, because baby was born but he was not named a name. So both of them name a baby a name, and baby relaxes, he will be the father of the baby. So Charlie there down, he named a baby, Kamba name.
You can hold for me here.
Yeah, so he named a baby, Kamba name, Mutua. That baby was crying all over the day, he was not comforted by that name. But
the baby used to cry.
Yeah,
but they used that norm, that kind of a name, they weighed. Whose son was?
They were fighting, there were bad promotion of both of them. Yeah, so the grandfather say
to Chalo and the father to Chalo and Kyamwilu.
Yeah, so that they can solve the problem
of the whose child is.
Who child is. But Chalo there, he named a baby Kamba name. But the baby was crying.
The Kamba name was Mutua.
Yeah, but Mwilu here happy. He named a baby a name of Kikuyu. Kamau. Yeah, and baby relaxes and stop crying.
The baby stopped crying.
Yeah, he stopped crying.
Symbolizing he was given the right name.
The right name.
And he belongs to the right family.
The right father.
Yeah. The right father.
The right father.
So what happened?
The father's first. So, baby went to him. And from that time, grandfathers and villagers started believing Chalo was not the owner of the baby. Because all things, even you can see that car, the driver will go down there, and put the car neutral mode, and the car will start moving up.
Sure.
Yeah, by itself.
The driver will put what? Neutral mode, and the car will move uphill.
Uphill by itself.
Okay, you can move the camera towards that area.
You can capture that.
Yeah, viewers, you can see that vehicle will go up.
The driver will go there downhill to the corner and put the car neutral mode and switch off the engine, and the car will start moving up by itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So before we see that, let's continue with the story of Chalo and Kyamwilu and their son.
Yeah.
We've seen they bore a child. So it proved the weighing proved. Kyamwilu had the son.
The son, because he named the son a name and baby relaxed and stopped crying. So the grandfathers,
he was the father.
He was the right father.
So what happened
now? After that, we started believing Chalo was not the father of the baby.
Yes.
Because Everything are coming from Chalo's place.
They are moving to...
Yeah, they are moving to Milu's place.
So that
Milu,
traditional thing, it proved what?
It proved those two spirits of father and son, they are here even today. Because even the rain season, all the water comes from up in there, the hills. When it reaches the ground, the water can't flow
the normal way.
Yeah, can't flow.
It flows against the
gravity.
Okay.
So we believe Chalo is Kyamwilu is
has less effect. Chalo has
less powers. So Milu has more powers. That's why he's pulling everything from Chalo to his place.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from then, everything started flowing against the gravity, according to that tradition.
According to that.
So let us hear the other thing.
The other thing is scientific reason.
The scientific reason.
Who
You told us there is the traditional
belief
and there is scientific.
Yeah.
Now let's move to scientific.
Now scientific, who discovered the place since 1940s.
Okay.
He was known as John Moto, first contractor of the road.
Okay.
Now one time he was coming from machakos.
John Moto.
Yeah, John Moto.
Okay.
He was coming from machakos surveying this road because the road was no tarmac road. It was a moram road. So that he can start his job. So when he was coming from machakos,
sorry guys, because of the noise of vehicles, yes.
Yeah. Now you can see this is from machakos. They are very steep.
Okay.
So when he reaches that corner,
down there.
Yeah,
down
there,
that
that guy. Now the car overheats, and he decided to put the car there so that he can find the water to pull the engine.
Okay.
Now when he stops the car there, he forgotten to put the car neutral mode. Yeah, he forgotten to put the car handbrake.
Okay.
So he put the car neutral mode. He move out, take a big stone to the behind of the car, so that car cannot move back.
Cannot flow back.
Cannot move
move back.
Yeah. Now when he went to the river to fetch water, when he came, he found the stone there. The guy is moving by himself.
Moved up the hill.
Yeah, by himself.
Okay.
Now he ran to see whether there is anybody trying to steal the car, but he found nobody was in the car. So he stopped the car there and he started to put the car water to the radiator so that the car can cool. So another water which links to the underground
from the vehicle.
Yeah, from the vehicle. He saw that water flows
up the hill again. He was so surprised.
So he was so surprised about the place. Now he went and came with a friend of him who was biologist of the science. Now they started to do some researches there to the corner, up to this another corner. Now they find far deep underground there is a mineral known as red mercury.
Red mercury?
Yeah, that red mercury.
Around here?
No, it's very big.
We've said this place is known as what?
Kyamwilu.
Kyamwilu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now when they find that red mercury, they start looking into the geologist of the science, and they saw that red mercury is which defies the gravity of here. You find even you put the liquid thing here, all when it rains, all liquid things are opposing the nature of the gravity.
Okay.
All the water flows up.
Against
the gravity.
Okay.
It disobeys the nature of the gravity.
Okay.
So another thing they try to see whether there is another mineral, and they dug a small soil which was underground, and that soil was somehow black, and when you put a iron or a metal, it was attracted by that soil. So they go with it to the lab and find that soil is mixed with magnetic fields. That's why when you put the car there, because 90% of the car is metallic, those magnetic fields, they start pulling the vehicle uphill.
Okay.
But when you are coming from uphill and put your car neutral mode, it will not move. It will stop.
Okay.
You must accelerate the vehicle so that you can make an effort of going down.
So that is the scientific
reason.
According to the man was given the contractor was given
the job of constructing the road.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is it. Now we want to see how this water.
Okay.
We will start with what?
We can start
with
this
the
water.
bottle. Let's start with the bottle.
Okay. Come here because this is the end of the effect. There is no more forces. So
Okay.
let's move to the center of
So let's go, and guys, let's see how objects flow against the gravitational force.
Yeah.
We are going down the hill along the road.
On the road.
This is kyamwilu
Yeah.
road at Machakos.
Yeah.
This is a place where it's known for object flowing against the gravitational force.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Now we can do it here.
Yes, let's do it here.
We can do it here.
We will place what?
We will place the bottle on the ground. Even I will try to push
But
it down.
there are vehicles coming.
Let the vehicle pass.
Okay. I'm sure this is the only place we can test this.
Yeah, only place in Kenya.
So do it.
Yeah. There is a vehicle. Vehicle pass.
So guys, just wait. Okay. So the bottle a little bit will start moving upwards.
Yeah. That is the round bottle. Now I'm trying to
It
push
will
down.
turn. Now it has started going against the gravitational.
Yeah.
Guys, you can see it is moving
Yeah.
against the gravitational upwards, up the hill.
Yeah, even if I will try to push it again, now the bottle will start rolling.
I want my viewers to see
Yeah, you can capture now.
it is up the hill.
Yeah,
You can see it is flowing,
it is rolling up.
rolling up the hill.
Yeah. Even you can give it a little moment.
So it flows fast down, then
Yeah. This road is very rough, but it will move. It will move. Okay.
wow. So that's how it moves.
Yeah.
So guys, that's how object flows against the
The
gravitational force.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens when water is poured on this area. So you can pour. Are there specific parts where the water flows against?
No.
Oh, it is all over this road.
Yeah, all over from that corner up to this corner.
Okay.
Now we can do it here.
Yeah, do it.
Now see how the water will react.
Wow, it is going up.
Yeah, it is going up here.
Okay. So, viewers, you can see the water is going up. Instead of going downwards, it is flowing upwards. So viewers, you have seen at kyamwilu, Machakos, the area where it is said gravity does what?
Does opposite. Objects are
Misbehaves.
Going, misbehave. Instead of going normal, it will start going opposite way.
Yes.
Okay, and I love the visitors of the many areas.
Yes.
Yeah, and we come here to see.
I've heard of this, and I wanted to show my viewers.
Yeah.
So when did you know this? You are born here?
Yeah, born here, and these are very a long thing. Yeah, from 1940s. up
So
to now.
does it give people money?
Just the area guys.
Yes.
The area guys.
Uh-huh.
We have a group
Mm-hmm.
which we contribute each what we get. Another we share for the basic needs.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So it gives you something.
Yeah, something comes.
So it is good to have funny thing in your area, like this one. It is so funny
is
to
funny.
have gravity, flow, gravity force. Yes.
Yeah, goes opposite
Uh-huh.
instead of going normal.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this area is only place in Kenya where you can find this effect.
So what can you tell people?
What I can tell people who hear this and who saw our videos in YouTube, in TV, you can come to see for your
And witness.
to witness for your own eyes.
Yes.
Some say.
So from Machakos, how do you go? The
When-
Kangundo Road.
Now you come with the Kangundo Road. It's around 9 to 10 kilometers from Machakos town to Kyamwilu. You will find our signboard there down where you will be able to see the area.
How do leaders around here appreciate this area?
The leaders, they try to make us as a group, and they support us to be in this area because when they are passing here, they are.
So is it a youth thing or everybody in the
No,
community?
it's a youth thing where we have a group, and that group is very strong because nobody can come out and do some demonstrations.
So it is very educative.
Educative,
It is economic wise good.
It was called. Then even children and students came here and learn about the gravitational forces.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Yeah, even me, I say thank you for coming here and welcome again. Yeah.
So my viewer have something new to watch. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
I will visit again.
Yeah.
I will bring my friends.
Yeah, came with
So
all.
thank you so much.
Okay.
Viewers, remember to subscribe.
Yeah.
Put a comment there down and continue clicking the bell button for more videos. So thank you for today and expect more videos as the time goes by. Thank you and bye.